the reason why I always talk about mother's love, we all know, right? For me, I don't care ini bama tema minetambita. You see some kids when ega model jeka fako nde bama na man time also man of understand. There are people, it can sound crazy to your head, it can sound crazy in your head, but that is the reality. Ika model jale ni bama alfang muka nyola time also wale katara je 2 weeks ini bama boga diama babaluri. So that is madness to me, you understand? So the reason I always talk about mother's love is we are nothing without those women, yeah? So me, I always do that because maybe I can just say, Keba Safono, okay, Baba Mandara Baluring, but Hanatara Mumbama will emphasize, you understand? But then I love to see brothers and sisters in either parents or good collection of Kataraja, you understand? Like, in the Hanangana friends world, the neighbor, I feel jealous, not in a form that they also should lose their mothers now, but I'm like, I wish, mom, if you understand.
Yeah, I wish your mother was there.
I wish my mom is also here, you understand, because I know how it feels. But then sometimes you see some of these brothers or sisters, in either parents will get diam yoga nyame, amanga kudimia longo. I sense make, you understand? And then to me, I understand very well go one day more killing bola will corner. And most of the time a mother I come in do one thing while you're so sometimes you might be making mistakes like a better raje. Sometimes you don't have money from a bolanya. What you have you become a value long. Burmani is a taraje, ila brother was work on a Gambia. Every month because of fenna, you understand? Well, I need because of fenna, family kodoki, family bega window. I made a respect I made bunya because he think that man will understand. He take it for granted. But then our friend better rasa de kona rek mi alonko. Lunkile nga bonjola sanare kana amburo domo. He think that person is an angel wala atila life saviors. But then I come in the so every time. Man, that is just an example. So more, let them not forget about any Bama time woman soro. Time is very precious and then abuka sando. Man, if you understand. Model be balurin B. Neko walioko puriye Bama da manje. They can give, they can withdraw their life savings. Even be a doku for how many years is just to see their mothers. You understand? Why? Because they are not alive. Man, you understand. So Nibama baluring, the least that you can do is to be an obedient child to your mom. Just take a more jelly to Abdujang. If you are a victim, please take your phone and call that lady back at home. Maybe it's having no merola kodi kunyinga siyala wala tenente. But at the end of the day, that woman is your mother. Alman tangala bining ala niyo jindi be tuwa Abdujang kaito bebul. Ebe la fila ka ticket ho sana purkata mabi ala samoto kodi. So ita mi benjibe ka ning atare bawa baluring. Telefono chika ya call. Telefono chika ka call always. Na atare na wenyo kan suwa kono. Ala present value because there will come a day atataraje kwatake. I remember so vividly Brimbawa Banda and Dataka Badi like Ndalam Dilla Bamati and then I'm the closest to my mom. Yalan Neko Gambia, well Yalan Nafa. You got a chat so liba malka dalinyama, you understand? Dalaga Badi Fitro Langa Badi, you understand? Fitiro ya bade nseta suokono baro bade dula mol bije bot ndala main beda mo do gol jam fatale number 1 temba ma jala kotake number 2 ba bade kan kaburo kono yesuto dibo be dunding kaburo dibo fanam, you understand? So mije ka findi bade go fon kono mo fon keno. So but then that shows love, you understand? But then it after no coming ibe batla ni ba banda you come and so all the love in that I mean so no. Spend more quality times with your parents, more especially your mother. Ibama call, Ibama na kaja Hanita boga fen soto. As long as ika credit go soto ka TikTok video jibe. So nas ni ka si suogon. Iba ma fende biji minka kontan. Mi alon ka la favorite moldi. Asangina da suogon. Mero la kumon kolea. Fo pita kola lamba. Fo fudo lamba. Fo keke lamba. Wala fo kala lamfamba. Wala fo tasabayo lamfamba. What are you bringing home to your mama? So these are things me alanko when she is not here anymore. Ibitale ba fala go lafta ka hijole jo moita hijimba mai lafa ka nyini nake lafa ka nyi sadaka rabo nimba mai. But the connection and the love sense will be nyandaka billa because natije no one can replace her. Na father mol bine ba fala go better and will be there for you this and that. Yes, they will be there for you, but it will never be like Ibama Belunje Nyamen. Mo nenete muso substitute la. So take care of your mama and then be an obedient child. Pick your phone right now and call her if you are far away from her. If you are home, go to her and tell her, Mama, I love you and I really appreciate everything that you have done for me. We don't thank our mothers. We don't do that. There is something that they call Mother's Day. To me, that is just rubbish because every day is a Mother's Day. So buy her gifts frequently. Show to her how much you really love her. Because one day you will wish you can tell her, or you will wish you can buy whatever for her, but you will never be able to do that because by then she will be no more. So now is the right time. Do that now. Gross to her and say thank you, Mama. Alma mo ba balwering alma ali so si jamala. Ni ba mandara balwering alma ali aso jannatul firdaus la ni sabande freto man bebe. Ni mo boldi mi alongo hamo be la ka kubala ke ba mae. Ni man dalasi ni ke mo be ni man dalasi ko ken wae. Ane million so de ke me ko ken wala. So it doesn't matter how much you have. Just pure sincere things just from the heart. That is what matters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.